Hey guys, this is Ben at JoesGE, and today I'm showing you how to do a hard reset on the Fitbit Ionic. This hard reset will go ahead and restore any of the data that you have on here. It will erase all of it and do a factory reset on the Fitbit. So I wouldn't recommend you do this if you have apps that you want to keep or any data that you want to keep, any steps that you've been counting. This will help if your Fitbit freezes or is just acting weird. You do this hard reset and start it back up, pair it with your phone, go ahead and re-update it, and that should fix your problem. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to do is make sure that it's on. Then you're going to hold all three of the buttons and just keep holding these until the screen turns off and then turns back on with the Fitbit logo. And once it's off, you're going to want to release the bottom right button and wait for a vibration. There it is, now it vibrated. Now we'll let go all of the buttons and go ahead and wait for it to turn back on. And there you go, now it's turning back on. If it doesn't turn on its own, go ahead and press the left button and it'll turn back on. You can also try plugging it into the power adapter and start charging it, and that should make it turn on a little bit faster. And there we have it, a fresh reset, and it's telling us to go ahead and set it up with the phone, which I'll go ahead and do. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. As always, have a fantastic day.